What happened now? Them try to throw we off like pot water. Because it's a family member, you know. It's a family member tell me say, Tiger, Tommy don't drive. And me I say, well, if Tommy don't drive, Tommy could not be the one that go and pick her up. And right there, so that's why I'm telling you, so that case here, you have to be careful because you're getting so much information and you have to know which one to come out because your credibility is on the line when you come out and I tell people certain things. You understand what I say? GDK. Yeah. Your credibility is on the line when you're coming out and telling people certain things. And I am very mindful of that. But yes, and you see the brother? You see the brother from Panishtown? He was down here as well, you know. The brother from Panishtown, he was down in Manchester as well. And that's why the person was so suspicious. Because the person said to me, say, but I want little baby foot broke. And all this brother years him not come here. So what warrant you hold on if you run come down here just over one little baby foot broke and one the doctor? What warrant that there? Especially the old gang leader will just come out of prison. Why you down here? But you see the gang leader? You see the gang leader, they all bleach out, Jag Queen boy. Him is closer than everybody in this alive, I think, and can imagine. But me nah jack the part there yet. I have some more info, but we are going to iron them out and come back with them too. What do I think? What do you mean by that, Sophia? What do you mean, what do I think? And you see, whoever hear that thing they say, sometime them put the answer right in our face and we can't see it. And you see these people, they are a dangerous set of people. I'm scared of them. Oh, before me go over this, so before me move to the right a little bit, let me tell you something. You see, when everybody has said they're afraid to come forward and they're afraid to go sideways, you know why everybody afraid so? They make we, I believe, say, a principal and a police and a no. You know why everybody afraid to come forward? You know why I'm telling you why everybody afraid to come forward? Remember over there I said, oh, this if nobody can come forward, so and no, you know why? You know why nobody can come forward? The boy will actually do it. Our old gang leader, a whole monster. The boy will actually do it. Our old monster, and everybody in a Newport knows say my monster. You hear me? I tell you, him our old monster. He run away from Newport and go live at St. Elizabeth. But that no mean to say run away left a monster. And I him the people them fear. I don't know police, I don't know hyena, I don't know crocodile, I don't know reptile. I him the people them afraid of. You know, you know some nice community, some local country area, and a one boy where I go to jail every minute and run gang and them sitting there. I him the people them scared of. That is the reason why nobody now talk and nobody know why nobody hears them talk. Because Jaden was only just a child. And if them can't take away Jayden, Whereas a child, what you think they would do that adult? Alright. So Wiz, that is a very beautiful, nice question you just asked, Wiz. But all they can say, he is best friend of the people's them. Wiz, me I go drop the grenade for that part there. But me I give them 47 hours to contact me, Wiz. And when me I tell them, so them if you contact me now, I know by them I come buy me out. They contact me have no reason. Because I know say all me want, me don't hate the family them. Me don't have no vendetta against the family them. Me want justice for the child. And me don't want nobody, because people that text me and ask me say, what kind of vendetta me have against them? Me don't have no vendetta against them. Me don't have no vendetta. And me telling you this. You see, if it was some people from out of the public, some strangers, is the same way me don't have them neck. Me say, what kind of vendetta? Me don't know these people. I know say one is a crocodile, one is a hyena. You understand? Me not have nothing against them. Nothing at all me not have against them. Me just know say a child cannot go to school and then poof disappear in the air. You can't. It's impossible. Nothing go so. After me tell you something. I believe in a space alien. You know? Me don't believe in a space alien. That me I try to tell you right now. So no one don't know and believe it or that. Me not believe in an alien and then sitting there. You see me don't believe in a coincidence. Let me tell you something. Papa Scully, my general. Guys, me I tell you now. You see this a week here. Papa Scully, touch on the orange out up here, so make your name look pretty orange. I agree, I orange suit, then you see I'm afraid of orange, so touch on this up here, so. Guys, big up Papa Scully from Metro Media. Touch on the sitting up here, so Papa Scully, me know say orange color where you see whole orange, it'll get your eye then dazzle. But don't worry yourself, you're my general for life. That is it. You're my general, so no orange suit can come around you. The whole of them are where you see up, so everybody up so going to sweatbox. Alright, so make we discuss this now, people. Who know what and who know who. So, majority of the people I say when Mr. T know from when Mr. T don't know. I'm going to tell you something now. You see the inconsistency what we get? You see the inconsistency what we get? The inconsistency we get is the hyena fault. The inconsistency that we are getting, it is the hyena's fault. But big up the hyena, because you see if it wasn't for she, we wouldn't get the inconsistency then. Because everybody did not know from the Friday. Everybody did not know what transpired with Jaden from the Friday. And the news never spread to the grassroots them. That's why we have the inconsistency in the story them. But here what now? You see all that, I'm tell you how that case work. And that's why I'm tell you it's a difficult one. Because it's a puzzle. And Paul will give you one piece of a puzzle. Then you go back on there so and June and Scott get one piece of a puzzle. You go over there so and Billy get one piece of a puzzle. I just you don't have to know how to formulate and put the puzzle them together. You understand? Because you see that tattoo bleach out boy, he is a lot more than we know. But as me say, me nah drop that today. Me nah drop that today. We have to give them the 47 hour and make them come forward. I wonder if you don't understand what I say. Sonia, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. And me I tell you, you see, anytime I come back here, so, you see, if nobody no contact me, I go start run some picture. But right now, Tish said something yesterday. And we need to focus on that what Tish said now. The clue that Jaden leave for us behind is the fact that he gave the umbrella to the little girl. And what I get to realize and understand and know that the little girl father knows the name of the cousin that Jaden left the umbrella and said he's gonna meet. I might be telling you something. People. They say Tom junk, but Tom no fool enough. Them say Tom junk, but Tom no fool. Because I have been asking this question for the last 5 months. I'm going to ask a question where say, Friday, the 26th of September 2025, Friday, how did they reach from Perth Road and Friday that they can say, I hope they did their look for him? And them come and tell us say Jaden never bringing a lie. Jaden carrying phone with him. Jaden take his phone. And let me tell you something. JCF, come here. JCF, you don't come here. JCF, you don't come here. JCF. Let me ask JCF one question. You no feel like say if you no go back to Digicel or Flow and ask them for the phone record them from the 25, the 26 and the 27 after the crocodile phone, the hyena phone, Jaden phone, goatee phone. You no feel like you need to reach someone with a case of JCF? Come on now, JCF. You no talk to me, man. No, JCF, come here. Come here. JCF, you no come here. JCF, you no feel like say if you no go to Digicel and Lime and get the hyena phone, the crocodile phone, the reptile phone, goatee phone and Jaden phone, you no feel like you no get a clue off of them a clue there?